Goodbye, Mr. Chips by James Hilton. Goodbye, Mr. Chips is a classic novel by James Hilton. It tells the story of Mr. Chipping, an English schoolteacher at the fictional Brookfield School. The narrative spans several decades, chronicling Mr. Chipping's career, his relationships with students, and his enduring love for his wife, Katherine. Set against the backdrop of societal changes and world events, the novel explores themes of love, loss, and the power of education to shape lives. Goodbye, Mr. Chips is celebrated for its warmth, humor, and poignant portrayal of a dedicated educator's impact on generations of students. Let's delve into a detailed Goodbye, Mr. Chips chapter-wise summary. Chapter 1, Beginnings. The novel introduces Mr. Chipping, affectionately known as Mr. Chips, as he reminisces about his early days at Brookfield School. We learn about his initial struggles to gain the respect of his students and the beginning of his teaching career. Chapter 2, Meeting Katherine. Mr. Chips recalls his chance encounter with Katherine Bridges, a young woman he meets while on holiday. Their romance blossoms, leading to their marriage and Katherine's influence on Mr. Chips' life. Chapter 3, Love and Loss. Tragedy strikes when Katherine passes away due to illness, leaving Mr. Chips devastated. Despite his grief, he finds solace in his work and continues to dedicate himself to teaching. Chapter 4, Becoming Mr. Chips. Mr. Chips grows more beloved by his students over the years, earning the endearing nickname, Mr. Chips. The chapter highlights his commitment to education and the bonds he forms with his pupils. Chapter 5, World War I. As World War I breaks out, Brookfield School faces challenges and changes. Mr. Chips witnesses the impact of the conflict on the school and its students, navigating through the difficulties with resilience. Chapter 6, Post-War Reflections. With the war's end, life at Brookfield returns to normalcy. Mr. Chips reflects on the changing times and the evolving role of education in society, continuing to inspire his students despite the challenges. Chapter 7, Aging and Retirement. As Mr. Chips grows older, he witnesses the passing of generations of students. He eventually retires from teaching, reflecting on his long and fulfilling career and the enduring legacy he leaves behind. Chapter 8, Farewell. In his twilight years, Mr. Chips passes away peacefully, surrounded by memories of his beloved school and students. The chapter serves as a poignant farewell to a dedicated educator and the impact he had on countless lives. Through its chapters, Goodbye, Mr. Chips' book offers a rich tapestry of Mr. Chips' life, relationships, and the transformative power of education. Each chapter contributes to the novel's themes of love, loss, and the enduring legacy of a passionate teacher. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.